Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to change the default audio device in Windows in different ways. Chapter 1. Change default audio device from Express settings. To start, click on the volume icon you see in the taskbar. Then tap on the slider bar and click on the arrow icon. There you can choose the device to use. Chapter 2. Change default audio device from volume mixer. To start, right-click on the volume icon you see in the taskbar. There you will click on Open Volume Mixer. There you will see the Output Device section. Click on the drop-down menu and select the new device to use. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Chapter 3. Change default audio device from control panel. To start, right-click on the Start menu, select Run. Enter the command you see on the screen. In this window, you will select the device to use. Then you should click on the Set Default button. You can apply the changes. Chapter 4. Change default audio device using Xbox Game Bar. To open the Xbox Game Bar, you're going to use the Windows plus G key combination. In the sound window, select the device to use. Chapter 5. Change default audio device from settings. To start, open the Start menu and click Settings. Then you are going to go to System and there click on Sound. Then in the Choose Where to Play Sound section, check the box for the device to use. Finally, click on it to access the various options you have to use. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.